Have you ever walked into your bedroom and wished it could instantly feel like a cozy winter wonderland? Do you want to wake up every morning surrounded by the glow of fairy lights, soft blankets, and that magical Christmas vibe that feels like a warm hug? Are you searching for easy and affordable ways to turn your everyday bedroom into a festive retreat without losing comfort or style? Well, today's video is going to fill your heart with inspiration and your room with holiday charm. From twinkling lights to holiday-scented candles, from cozy throw pillows to creative DIY touches, I'll walk you through the most heartwarming Christmas bedroom decor ideas that will make your space feel merry and magical. So grab a warm cup of cocoa, snuggle under your blanket, and let's bring the Christmas spirit into your bedroom. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. How can I make my bedroom feel instantly Christmassy without spending too much? Start with the smallest touches that make the biggest difference, like switching your bedsheet set to a red, green, or plaid pattern. Add a soft white or cream throw blanket at the foot of your bed for that snow-inspired comfort. Hang fairy lights or curtain string lights behind your headboard. They create that soft, glowing warmth that feels like holiday magic. To top it off, place a small tabletop Christmas tree or a garland along your dresser. You don't need to spend big, just mix creativity with coziness. If you're already feeling inspired, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who loves decorating for Christmas as much as you do. What are the coziest color combinations for a Christmas bedroom? Traditional Christmas red and green always work wonders, but for a soft and modern touch, try pairing white and gold, silver and blush pink, or even emerald and beige. These combinations bring a more elegant and calming tone, perfect for relaxing during chilly nights. Add small pops of color through pillows, candles, and ornaments, and you'll instantly create a balanced, festive feel that looks straight out of a Christmas magazine. What's your favorite color theme for Christmas? Share your answer in the comments below. I'd love to know how you decorate your space. What are some must-have Christmas accessories for a cozy vibe? Decorate with scented candles. Vanilla, cinnamon, or pine are perfect. Add a few Christmas-themed throw pillows, a soft rug, and a festive wall, hanging or wooden sign that says Merry Christmas or Joy to the World. For a finishing touch, place a few wrapped gift boxes under a mini tree or near your nightstand for that storybook look. How can I decorate my bed area to make it look festive yet restful? Focus on layers, soft flannel sheets, chunky knit blankets, and fluffy cushions. Add fairy lights around your headboard or drape them gently across your curtains. You can also hang a small wreath above your bed, or replace your usual artwork with something winter-themed. It's all about keeping it simple, calm, and cozy, like wrapping yourself inside the spirit of Christmas every night. Love cozy decor content like this? Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more creative Christmas videos coming your way. How can I make my bedroom smell like Christmas? Scent has power. It brings memories to life. Use aroma diffusers, essential oils, or candles with fragrances like pine, vanilla, cranberry, or gingerbread. You can even create your own DIY simmer pot by boiling water with orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves. Your bedroom will smell so warm and inviting that you'll never want to leave. What are some creative DIY ideas for Christmas bedroom decor? DIY decor adds personal warmth. You can make paper snowflakes, decorate mason jars with fairy lights, or craft your own garlands using dried oranges and pine cones. Add a few handmade ornaments to your small tree. They'll carry a piece of your creativity into the holiday season. It's not about perfection. It's about the joy of creating something festive with your own hands. If you love simple DIY touches like these, don't forget to like and share this video. It helps others discover cozy Christmas ideas too. So there you have it, your complete guide to creating a warm, beautiful, and Christmas-filled bedroom this holiday season. Whether you love bold colors or soft tones, big spaces or small corners, Christmas Decor is about one thing: feeling the warmth of the season right where you rest. Every twinkle, every candle, and every cozy pillow adds up to create a personal winter haven just for you. So go ahead, bring your Christmas dream bedroom to life. Make it magical, make it merry, and make it yours. Merry Christmas, and thank you for watching.